How to download a video on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to download a video on YouTube. So in order to download a video on YouTube, it's very simple. All you have to do is open up a browser. You can also do this with the help of an application on your mobile phone. So once you open up a browser, on the web address bar, type in youtube.com and then log in into your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, select the particular content or the video that you wish to download. And once you've selected it, all you have to do is just scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find all sort of information. And once you scroll down, you'll be able to find the button as download. So tap the download button, and as soon as you do that, you can go ahead and select the quality and click the download button. Now for some of the video, you might not be able to see the downloading option or the download option. That's because the owner might have not enabled it. In that case, you'll have to take some alternative steps. So that's basically how you can download video on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.